out that Get Over, Lil Wayne. Black Boy made me write some shit yesterday, man. Just thinking about some shit. Look. Stay strong and listen to what the people tell you. Give it all a go. He could really help you. Vultures will leave you stinking for someone to smell you. Observing my culture, listen to what I gotta tell you. Mom knew what's best, listen to what she gotta tell you. When you needed your pamper change, she was there for you. She the apple of my eye, so I gotta love her. Getting older, so I treat my dad like a brother. Shout out to my brother, let him know I love him. I got flaws my damn self, so I can't judge him. Can't smoke a blunt with inches, man, I miss thuggin'. My nigga killed my nigga and his cousin kill his cousin. The hood miss all of him, yeah, we still love him. Cream give his life to God, that's what Jill done him. Soup left niggas that would've killed for him. They kept it real with me, gotta keep it real for him. I grew up with niggas that used to pull triggers. She only tryna feed her kids, they call them gold diggers. Peepin' shit, I got the game from old niggas. Some of them dead, swear to God I love those niggas. If it's love, then we shouldn't let nothing split us. Damn, look what love did us. God come get us. Forgive for what we don't know. We some young niggas, never been no dumb niggas. Tell them where you from, nigga. Cops riding around looking for one nigga. And everybody know what he done, nigga. Selling drugs to provide for his son, nigga. And I know a lot of niggas on the run, nigga. That's my son, nigga. That's it. That's it.